Hi, I'm Yamaç.
And I'm Sue, and together we are the RV Exec Chef. And today for Thanksgiving, we're going to show you how to make your own turkey gravy. Now what we did, we purchased turkey breast on the bone. And first of all, we need to separate that breast from the bone. And Yamaç is going to show you exactly how.
First thing, I will separate the breast from the bone. You need to take your knife, sharp knife, of course. Just cut the skin around like this. And turkey is a little bit sometimes gets tougher. Just follow the bone here, tip of the knife, and separate the breasts perfectly. You know, you need to cut those excessive pieces. Yeah. Now your breast is almost separated from the bone. And after you finish one side, put on the side this breast, go to other side, same process we will do here, like same way. Your knife tip follows the bone. See, coming perfectly one piece. After that we will use those breasts. I will show you how to use it. Right now, breasts almost separated. Yes, I did it. Now you will cut the turkey bone small pieces. I want, you know, all those bones fit in the pot. Sometimes it gets tougher. You need to make sure don't cut your hands when you do this process. I think, yeah, this big enough for me. Those are the pieces you want to put in your pot. Now I'm putting my turkey bones in the pan, my vegetables, carrots, onion. I have sage, parsley, thyme, rosemary. I am throwing everything in it, and a little bit garlic leaves, bay leaves, salt and pepper. And I'm adding 6 cups water on top. Now I will bring this mixture on the fire.
Okay, so this is boiling quite nicely now. It's starting to boil. So once all the ingredients in there are starting to boil away nicely, let it sit there for about 30 minutes. And then you're going to have a really nice stock for your gravy. Now, whilst that's simmering away, they're ready to boil. Don't forget to subscribe, because if you subscribe, it gives him more encouragement to do more and more and more videos for you, and more really nice recipes.
Also, if you need a little bit more water, you can add
A little bit more. Okay,
yeah.
So don't forget to subscribe. So it gives us a lot of encouragement to do more and more videos for you.
After 30 minutes, stock is ready. Here I have 2 bowls and strainer, and drain the juice inside the strainer, and the rest of the vegetables and turkey will go in another bowl. Now I will pull the turkey meat from the bone, small pieces like this, and you can put inside the gravy all those pieces.
And then this juice, what we need to do with the juice, am I right?
Yeah.
We take a cup of this juice that we drained earlier on, and you keep that for the
bread stuffing.
For the bread stuffing. And then you just carry on stripping that off, yeah?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
I put 5 cups turkey stock here, and also I have turkey pieces. I put everything inside. Now I need to make roux. Roux is basically flour and oil. Olive oil I usually use. I put almost 1/4 cup flour and 1/4 cup olive oil in it.
Something's smelling nice, Yamash. Let me see.
Is it?
Yeah, it's smelling so nice. What you doing
Yeah.
now? Roux?
Roux.
The famous roux?
Yeah, famous roux.
Ooh, can I stir that? I always stir.
Yeah.
Ooh, that smells so good. You're mixing that up all nicely.
Yeah, nicely. No
what do you
lumps
do?
in it. Then,
So remember, roux has to be really smooth, yeah?
yes, correct. Very smooth. Now, I will dump this roux slowly inside the base. We don't want too runny. We don't want so thick this gravy.
I like it thick.
Yeah, I know you like thick. I will dump everything inside
Looks
and
good.
wait 2 minutes. Will be.
Is that all it takes? 2 minutes?
Yeah, 2
So that
minutes.
seems pretty easy how to do that, doesn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah? So you make it look easy. Oh, it smells so nice. Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh. So what's in there again? Not chicken. The turkey is in there off the bone.
Yes, and
what's-
turkey stock.
All the herbs are in there.
Yeah, all the herbs in there.
6
and
cups of turkey stock. And we kept 1 cup of stock to put in the bread.
Yes.
the bread stuffing.
Stuffing, correct.
Yeah. So what kind of bread stuffing are we making on the other video? It's going to be
Cranberry apricot.
Cranberry apricot stuffing.
Stuffing, yeah.
Right, got it. That sounds good. Oh, that's thickening up really nicely.
Yeah.
But I do
If
like my
doesn't
gravy.
go a little bit, turn on
Turn it
the
up a bit.
medium heat to high. Just bubble.
So how
a little
thick
bit.
is that going to get? Because I know, you know me, I like my gravy
Yeah,
thick.
depends
like it
how you like. You know how.
So you put more roux, keep
Yeah.
putting the roux in, but you can't just put it in quick, can you? You've
It
gotta
is
do it.
so runny. You can add more roux anytime inside.
So there we go. Our gravy is done, and I'm going to taste it as usual. That's so tasty. It's really nice. Now, I'm really fussy with gravy, so we did add a little bit more roux in.
More roux, yeah.
Because I do like it a little bit thicker. I don't like runny gravy. So you decide on the consistency.
Yeah.
More roux, thicker, less roux, more runny. And if you don't like the bits in the gravy, you can drain it off and you just end up with the pure juice.
Or
the
don't
gravy
put.
juice.
Yeah.
Or just don't put those bits in. You don't have to put the turkey bits
Also, if you need any more salt, everybody different, you can add.
in. Yeah. But I can taste
more-
the salt
more
in there.
salt,
Yeah.
yeah.
That's really nice. And I've got to have some more as well. It's so good. And you can smother your turkey breast or turkey, whatever, with that. It's so nice. I really like that.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Have a nice day.